Imagine talking to a therapist who never sleeps, never judges, and is available 24/7. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's happening right now. Artificial intelligence is stepping into the world of mental health. But the question is, can AI really replace a human therapist? From AI chatbots like Woebot and Oasis to virtual reality therapy programs, technology is being designed to listen, support, and guide us through our mental struggles. Millions are already using these digital therapists. But how far can they really go? AI-powered mental health tools use natural language processing to analyze what you say, recognize emotional patterns, and respond with coping strategies. That could be guided breathing, journaling prompts, or even cognitive behavioral therapy exercises. Some systems even track your tone of voice or typing speed to detect shifts in your mood. The biggest advantage? Accessibility. AI never needs an appointment. It's affordable, and it's there at 3 a.m. when anxiety hits hardest. For people in rural areas or those afraid of stigma, AI therapy can be the first safe step toward getting help. But here's the flip side. AI isn't human. It can't fully understand complex emotions, cultural context, or trauma. Privacy is another concern. Your most personal thoughts are stored on servers, raising questions about data security. And in crisis situations, AI can't replace human empathy or intervention. So what's the future? Experts believe AI won't replace human therapists, but it can support them. Imagine an AI assistant tracking your daily mood while your human therapist focuses on deeper healing. A partnership, not a replacement. AI as a therapist may sound like science fiction, but it's already changing how we approach mental health. The challenge now is finding the balance between technology and human connection. Because in the end, healing isn't just about data, it's about being truly understood. Would you trust an AI with your mental health? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more from Oasis.